AutoCAD has some excellent collaboration tools available within it, and these allow you to make your AutoCAD desktop a lot more mobile. One of these is Autodesk 360, which is the cloud-based offering from Autodesk, which means you can store your drawings up in the cloud on the internet, and you can access them via your PC or your tablet or your iPad or even your phone. So let's have a look at Autodesk 360 now. The good thing is, when you open up AutoCAD, in the info bar here, you can sign in. So if I sign in there to Autodesk 360, dialog box comes up. So I'm just going to put in my login name, like so. Make sure you get the right password, like so, and I sign in. So I'm now signed in. Takes a few seconds to think about it, but just keep an eye on the info bar at the top here. It'll update. As you can see, the screen's gone black there while it thinks about it. And it's now prompting me, you've never synced your settings on this computer. What would you like to do? So we're going to enable customization sync on this computer. So what will happen now is I'll be told when my settings are ready. So it's gone to my Autodesk 360 account to tell my Autodesk 360 account that when I synchronize these drawings, I can upload them to the cloud. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to save this drawing. You'll notice I haven't got Autodesk 360 complete up there on the title bar. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a save as. So if I go up here now, save as, like so, and just drag this over here, you can see I can save to Autodesk 360, and that'll display my Autodesk Cloud document folder. So if I click there, that'll think about that for a little while because there's quite a few drawings in there. And what it'll do is it'll actually display everything I've got stored in the cloud. So there's all my drawings in the cloud like so, templates and folders and everything else. So what I can do is I can update the sheet and the view thumbnails, and I'm going to save that now to my 360 account. So I click on save, like so. What I'll do is I'll actually just rename it as well. We'll put the complete in there, like so, and then I'll click on save. Now you'll notice that's saving, it's updating. Can't be saved when 360 is not running. Now the reason I'm getting that is that my 360 account is updating. I need to start Autodesk 360 and try again as it says. So that's fine, that's okay. I'll just make sure I save my drawing there, make sure it's all saved. And it's telling me again it can't save it. That's okay, it's saved on my machine. So I need to log out, like so. And then what I need to do is log in again and then do the save again. So let's just wait for that to come out. It takes a few seconds because it's contacting the internet basically. And it does depend on obviously your bandwidth and your speed of your broadband or whatever you're using. Now be aware, obviously you need a live internet connection for this. And it needs to be a reasonably quick one. You don't want to be using 56k dial-up, for example. You'll be there for a long time uploading your drawings. So let's just check whether that's signed out. It's still thinking about it at the moment. There we go. But I can keep my custom settings. So I'll keep those on this computer. Now remember, you can be on any PC that you want to be. You could be working thousands of miles away on a site away from the office, and all you've got to do is load up AutoCAD, sign into Autodesk 360. And the benefit is you can then go and find your drawings in the cloud, as I'm about to do so. And I'll make sure I get the right password again, like so. Sign in again. Now if you haven't got an Autodesk ID, get one. You had the prompt there on the dialog box. There you go. I'm signed in this time and it's saying welcome to Autodesk 360. So it's updated all my preferences and it's synchronized everything. So now when I go back here and do a save as again, like so, saving it to the 360 CAD FM Consultants folder, I'll update any sheet and thumbnails. Click on save. Do I want to replace it? Yes, thanks. Drawing is write protected. Not a problem. It's write protected because it's in my 360 account. And it's still open here as well. So what it does is it stops you overwriting a file that's already open somewhere. So that's how you utilize Autodesk 360 for collaboration. It's a great tool. All you need is that Autodesk ID, so go and get one. And then you get, I think, don't quote me on this, 5 GB of storage space in the cloud. That's quite a lot of space. That's quite a lot of drawings, which means your drawings are completely mobile at all times.